Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to delete your Temu account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to delete your Temu account, you need to simply go to Temu. Once you're in your Temu, on the below bottom bar, you can find the U option. Simply tap on it and then you need to go to the settings icon on the top right hand side of the corner. After you have done this, you can simply go to account security. So once you're in your account security, you can find the option called delete your Temu account. Simply tap on delete your Temu account and simply tap on the dialog bar. Once you tick it, you need to hit the continue button. After you have done this, you need to confirm the decision by following the on-screen prompts given, and the process will basically take up to 7 business days. So this way you can simply delete your Temu account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.